And they setting off my alarm and shit. Good little cold start action going for y'all. Got the alignment done on this thing, but we rolling. We about to go weld the diff today. Oh yes, we about to be sliding, big sliding. I hope y'all ready for it. Appreciate your love and support thus far with V1 of my Z, but this is about to be V2. We taking it to a whole nother level, baby. I hope y'all ready. Appreciate you.
Half a mile. Take exit 41 for Orange Show Road toward Auto Plaza Drive.
You got it, baby girl. You guys let me know. Are you guys a fan of mountainous areas? Do you live in mountainous areas? I'm from LA. We don't have too many. Well, we do. Yeah, we do. I'm lying. But they ain't
Take
like
exit
in my immediate
41,
area
then
of
use
LA,
the right
so
lane to
there's
turn
that.
right onto West Orange Show Road.
Anyway, you guys live in a mountainous area? Let me know. And look what I see when we pull up. Not only a Tesla. That big body thing. Whew. And that thing is worth a house. If you know, you know. So we're at the pop shop, about to get the diff swap. You see it right there. Man, it's a complicated beast underneath this thing, man. What all do you have to do to make a diff? I mean, to swap a diff?
So basically, we're removing the drive shaft bolts and then separating the axle shafts. And then from there, we take out both the bolts from the bushings in the front and in the back right here. And then the whole diff will drop out, and basically we'll bolt up the other one and get it in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Well, I'm excited. It's going to be a whole different car after we're done. So.
Yeah, should be fun.
Should be.
Meanwhile.
Bust. Big turbo. Poking out the top. So cool, man. CSCs. Those. Sheesh. Damn. Gotta have the fire extinguisher for sure. This thing is built to boogie, dude. I gotta like patch in a clip of this thing getting cracking in this video or something, cause man. This looks awesome. RIP earphone users for sure. Look at this fucking thing, man. This thing is totally broke. That's crazy. ASMR right there. So it looks like this one's good, but definitely need to get that changed. It's all types of goop and gunk and the shit that be on your girlfriend's breath in the morning, all up in there. So, oh, look at that. Look at that. That's horrible. So yeah, this has got to get changed like immediately. That got it. Bye-bye, old diff.
Alright, I'm gonna have you give me just a quick hand.
Cool.
A few moments later.
And she is out. Man.
Solid.
Hell yeah. Cool.
So you gotta make sure you have pressure on. Did I put it high enough? Or you gonna put it like that? Okay. So you gotta make sure you have grip spares.
Okay. Oh wait, I didn't see what other sticker you put on there. Thank you, man. That's plenty. That's good. Yep. Clean. Little kid Goku right there. Yep. What'd you say? What'd you say?
7 mil, like just having a spacer on the back, clear elastic problem. Well, not just the full you will have to roll the cover.
Yeah.
Dude, that shit is laid, bro. I fuck with it.
Yeah.
Let's try one more. Oh, you have traction control. Traction control.
Mine doesn't have that.
You don't have traction control?
Base model, no traction control. It should be right here. It's not on me.
No
Unless
shit.
you can show me something.
Let me try it. I'll try it.
Christen it. Bless it for me.
Let's see.
It's got traction control, yeah.
How do you deactivate that?
Traction control on the base model?
Is this traction control or ABS? That shit's sad. Yeah. It's on the ground, bro. Have you ever did a donut before?
Once or twice.
You want to try it right here? And
Is this too narrow for you?
I think so. I think I can get cracking right here.
Well, let's see. I'm trying to back up a little bit.
That's just quick.
That was a good one.
That's just quick.
It's an HR.
Really? Does that stop there?
Dude, that shit is clean, bro.
That's just quick.
Let me get one photo of you.